In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a banner in Reddit posts. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're completely new to Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to change the banner that appears on your profile, which can also help your post stand out when people visit your page. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account in your browser or app. The steps are very similar in both, but I'll describe them in a way that works for most setups. Start by looking toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar or a simple placeholder image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to different parts of your account. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open your main account settings page. This is where you can control a lot of things like notifications, privacy, and appearance. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but we're only going to focus on the profile section. Once you're on the settings page, find and click on Profile. This section is dedicated to how your profile looks to other users. Here, you can usually change your display name, about section, avatar, and of course, your banner. After you've opened the profile settings, look for the area that mentions banner, or profile banner. This is the image that stretches across the top of your profile, similar to a cover photo on other social platforms. Click on the banner area. In most cases, you'll see an option like Upload Image or Change Banner. Click that upload option and a file window will pop up, letting you